Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you through my back-to-school morning routine, the one that helps me feel confident, organized, and totally that girl even on stressful school days. I used to wake up and just panic, rushing, forgetting things, feeling completely unprepared. But I've learned that the morning sets the tone for your entire day. So I decided to share my routine. The habits, the little tips, and the things that make me feel aesthetic, productive, and happy before school even starts. Segment 1. Waking up and morning mindset. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m., but you can adjust depending on your school. First thing I do, stretching plus deep breath. Even just 2 minutes makes me feel awake and ready. I also like to set a small intention for the day. Something like, I'll stay focused in class, or I'll be kind to everyone today. Personal tip. I keep a tiny notebook on my nightstand to jot down thoughts before the day starts. It clears my mind instantly. Segment 2. Skincare and hygiene. My skincare routine is super quick but essential. A fresh face makes me feel confident. I use a gentle cleanser, a light moisturizer, and SPF, even if I'm in school all day. Lip balm is a must, especially in winter, but honestly anytime. Quick tip. Keeping a mini skincare kit in my bag is a lifesaver for after PE or long school days. Segment 3. Breakfast and hydration. I never skip breakfast. A simple smoothie or cereal keeps me energized. I fill up my cute water bottle and sip throughout the morning. Hydration equals sign focus. Fun tip. Add a little aesthetic touch, like a heart-shaped fruit or a pastel mug. It makes mornings more enjoyable. Segment 4. Outfit and confidence. I pick my outfit the night before, but I still check in the morning. Accessorizing makes a big difference. Hair clips, scrunchies, cute socks. These small details boost my confidence. Shoes plus bag combo is key. A matching aesthetic makes me feel polished without trying too hard. Personal insight. Confidence isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you carry yourself. Segment 5. Packing the bag. I have a small checklist: notebooks, planner, pens, pencil case, water bottle, snack. Organizing by pouches helps keep my bag neat. One for stationery, one for self-care, one for tech. Little extras: lip balm, scrunchie, keychains. They may seem small, but they make me happy. Tip: pack your bag the night before to reduce morning stress. Segment 6. Morning productivity. Before leaving, I quickly check my planner for the day. Homework, deadlines, reminders. Even 5 minutes of planning sets a productive tone. Personal habit. I like to write one positive note to myself for motivation. Something like, "You got this." Segment 7. Leaving for school. Final check: bag, shoes, jacket, phone, and keys. Taking a minute to breathe and appreciate the morning is my favorite part. I try to walk calmly, enjoy a little music, or just the quiet before class. Segment 8. Quick morning self-care, mini glow-up. Sometimes just a few minutes of mini glow-up in the morning makes such a difference. I usually spritz a face mist or apply a light moisturizer. Quick touch-up with eyeliner or mascara. Brush my hair and add a cute clip or scrunchie. This short routine gives me confidence and energy that lasts throughout the day. Segment 9. Motivation and positivity before school. The last few minutes before leaving for school are perfect for setting a positive mindset. I usually write in my mini journal: 1. 2 things I'm grateful for and 1 goal for the day. Give myself a short motivation pep talk like, "Today is going to be amazing, I've got this." This simple habit helps reduce stress and anxiety, making the day feel more productive and calm. So that's my back-to-school morning routine: teen girl, aesthetic, and productive. Remember, the morning sets your energy, confidence, and mindset for the whole day. Small habits like skincare, hydration, packing smartly, and choosing an outfit you love make a big difference. Comment below. What's your favorite morning habit? I'd love to know, and maybe try it in my routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!